Good day. This PowerPoint looks at how to balance redox reactions. And what it means is you have to have two half reactions. One will be a reduction, one will be an oxidation, and we're combining them. And in half reactions, we always have electrons in our final equation, but in redox reactions, we never have electrons. They are essentially canceled out or hidden away, even though they are involved in the reaction being transferred. So here are the steps for balancing redox reactions. So it reminds you that it's redox because it's reduction and oxidation. It reminds you half reactions have electrons, but when you finish a balanced chemical equation that's redox, there are no electrons in that equation. And really, when we go to balance redox reactions, what we're doing is we're balancing out the electrons. And you're going to see that in the steps in a moment. Now, there are two methods. There's a half reaction method and the oxidation number method. The only one I teach is the half reaction method because it's pretty well foolproof. If you're more ambitious, more risk-taking, then you would look at the oxidation number method in the book. But I would recommend the half reaction method. So you've got to get a balanced half reaction for reduction and the same for the oxidation. You've got to have those two half reactions. And you cannot have a reduction or an oxidation because that tells you something's gone wrong. We definitely need electrons transferred from one thing to another. Now once we have the two half reactions, then we balance the electrons. We look for the lowest common multiple that they fit into, and then we multiply through by the half reactions. Often when we're done for more complicated ones, we'll find things like H pluses or OH minuses or H2Os, and those kind of things we have to cancel out or reduce down. Now there are three examples. So there's the first one. And then there's the second one. And a third one. And we're actually going to look at those in 3 videos where we go through each, which illustrates some aspect of balancing these redox reactions, and then you'll get worksheets on the topic. And I suspect you will find things fairly straightforward if you're willing to follow the steps and not jump the gun. Okay, so the next 3 videos are looking at these 3 examples.